Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Mia. So guys, in today's video we are doing something a little bit different from the usual. Today we are doing a closet declutter. Guys, I have been shifting, I have been postponing, I have been delaying this closet declutter for the longest time. So today we are sorting it out. Guys, you see that stack of clothes? Yes, we need to sort it out today. So maybe you should take this as a motivation to sort your clothes. In my closet, I have clothes I haven't worn in months, in days, in weeks. So I need to sort that out. I need to take out the ones I no longer wear and the ones I still wear. So guys, take this as a motivation to sort your closet. I hope you guys find this video interesting. I'm just trying new things. I hope you guys find this video interesting. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Let's get into the action, guys. So guys, this is what we are working with. We need to get all this thing out, sort all this place, then rearrange it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find you, I gave you what you needing. I know what you like. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Damn, that's your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from. Girls want girls.
Guys, this is actually a perfume. A perfume and a key holder.
But I know you wanna roll with the gang, and I know you want to find as a things. Asking me about settling down, cause you know that things are going my way. Baby, baby, everybody's the same. No one wants you the same way. Not till the morning, I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all you, give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all. Make I give you all you need, every touch you need, give you all, make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body.
Guys, tell me what this shortbread is doing in our closet. Tell me what this shortbread is doing inside the closet.
You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Hey! Raindrop, drop top, no cooking the hot pot. Shit, cooking up in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. Hey! I don't trust nobody, good at nobody. Call up the king and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a cup. Bad and blue, bad. Cooking up with a ooze. My niggas savage, goofy. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Bad and blue, bad. Cooking up with a ooze. My niggas savage, goofy. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a cool. I take your kid right from you.
Guys, this smells so good, so good. So guys, over to this side. I don't really have much to arrange here. My rigs are here, then my toothpicks are here, so I really do not have much to do this side. This side is pretty much arranged.
Got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That cookie and that train. Just national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath.
So guys, here is the finished look. What do you think? Do you like it? Did I try in decluttering this clothes? Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please guys, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and leave a comment. See you guys in my next video. Bye.